Hi friends, welcome back to Dating My Budget. My name is Nita and I'm on a journey to becoming a financial warrior. I'm giving myself financial options with the help of zero-based budgeting, the cash envelope system, and savings challenges. And today is another episode, Wait a Minute Wednesday. And so we roll into save and let's see how much cash we have to work with. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $25 today. All right, so we use 2 dice. The 6-sided dice tells us which challenge to stuff. The 8-sided dice tells us how much money to give each challenge. Okay, so challenge 2 is going to get $5. That rolled on the floor. Challenge 6 is going to get 7. Just shake it up a little bit. Challenge 1 will get 6. Okay. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. All right. Challenge 2 gets 4. And now we remove the 8-sided dice. We only have $3 left. And we'll roll this one to see who gets the last $3. Challenge 4. Okay. So that was great. Our winner was challenge 2. Challenge 4 got the least. Nothing for challenge 5 and 3. All right, so let's see. Let me grab my black Sharpie. 1, 2, and 3. I didn't even have to make change. I thought I was. So let's see how many remaining. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. We'll do this one next. Oh yeah, this one have rollover. Oh, but still not enough. So, well, actually, we could do 5 and have 3 to roll. Okay. I think this was the pink I was using. I can't wait to have this one done to have that 140. That'll go a long way. All right, and then I think the boba tea got the second highest at 7. Ooh. Wait a minute. All right, so we have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, we can add our $7. Go ahead and put this back in. All right, and on to the winner. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 in this challenge. There's an 8. So let's do this 8 and find us a 1. And here's our 1 here. All right. So that was it. I think the next stuffing will have more cash to play with. We'll see what damage we can do next week. But, you know, not too bad. Not too bad this week. Some of the challenges that didn't get anything last time got something. So I'm glad about that. And put these back in the binder where they belong. And that will do it for Wait a Minute Wednesday. I will check you guys out in the next video. Have yourself an awesome day or night whenever you're watching, and I'll chat with you in the next one. Bye, guys.